Hi, welcome to another video. Did you know the average American will pay around $534,000 in taxes over their lifetime? If you're married, it's even more, double that amount. That adds up to a lot of your hard-earned money gone to taxes. Even more surprising, the average married couple pays over $250,000 in taxes, unnecessarily throughout their lifetime. For most people, taxes will be the #1 expense in retirement. Why? About 90% of all retirement savings are in tax-deferred accounts like 401ks, 403bs, and IRAs. Our tax code is complicated, with over 4.4 million words. There are hundreds of tax incentives meant to encourage specific behaviors, but many accountants and tax preparers focus only on the current year's taxes and miss out on planning for the future. Let's dive into an example. Imagine a married couple with a modest retirement income. They have $30,000 from Social Security, a $12,000 pension, and $5,000 from an IRA, totaling $47,000 a year. How much of their Social Security will be taxed? Using the provisional income formula, they take 50% of their Social Security, which is $15,000. Add it to the $17,000 from the pension and IRA. Their provisional income is $32,000. Their Social Security benefits are barely taxed at this level, and their ordinary income tax is 0 after standard deductions. But what if they need to make a big purchase, like a car? Let's say they take $25,000 from their IRA for this. Their provisional income jumps to $57,000, putting them over the threshold. Now, 85% of their Social Security benefits will be taxed. Their tax bill skyrockets because they didn't plan ahead. They could have saved thousands by spreading the IRA withdrawal over 2 years and financing the car instead. This kind of proactive tax planning can save you a lot. Taxes can eat up your retirement savings, but with the right planning, you can minimize this. Imagine saving $100,000 or $200,000 over your retirement just by planning well. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, your #1 online incorporation service provider. For all your business needs, visit legalregistration.com or call us at 877-955-7111. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights.